My name is Daniel from WTI, and this is the RK61 mechanical keyboard. This keyboard has 61 keys, all of which can be swapped out very easily, and has 4 feet on the bottom to reduce scratching, and it even has RGB. The keyboard itself is very compact, about twice as big as an iPhone. It has one USB-C port on the top for wired mode, as well as an on and off switch for the RGB and Bluetooth mode on the bottom of the keyboard. The brown switches on this keyboard feel great to type on and even better to listen to. Let's hear it. The RK61 Royal Clutch keyboard is a wonderful addition to any setup, and I highly recommend it. And that is my point of view.